Court hearings today for those facing charges related to the death of Javier Ambler, including the former sheriff of Williamson County, a county attorney, and sheriff's deputies. He
died in custody after a chase in 2019. The deputies at the time were being followed by crews from the reality show Live PD. KXAN's Mercedes Hernandez is joining us now from the Travis County Courthouse. Mercedes, who appeared in court today?
Hey guys, there were two hearings today. The first was for former Williamson County Sheriff Robert Chody and former County Attorney Jason Nassour. They've both been charged with tampering with evidence related to this case, primarily concerning video taken by Live PD at the time of Ambler's arrest and what happened to it afterwards. The second hearing was for James Johnson and Zachary Camden. They were both deputies at the time, and they've been charged with manslaughter. They're accused of acting recklessly during Ambler's arrest, allegedly using a taser on him, despite him telling officers at the time that he had a heart condition. After Ambler's arrest, he later died at the hospital.
And Mercedes, did anything new come out of the hearings today?
Nothing really new happened during Chody and Nassour's hearing. The state asked for a little bit more time to thoroughly go through as many as 18 witnesses and to determine if a pretrial hearing might be necessary here. The second case, though, it was let me finish that one first up. And then the defense also asked for a little bit more time to work on its case as well. They determined that those guys would come back in March to see if a pretrial hearing would be necessary and how to move forward from there. Now, getting to that second hearing, both sides wanted to be absolutely clear on what could or could not be brought up during jury selection or during court. The defense asked that Chody and Nassour's case really only be mentioned when absolutely necessary, but the prosecution said that that case is crucial to this one. The judge determined that whenever this does go to trial, that either side needs to approach the bench before they bring that up during court.
Mercedes, tell us what's next for these cases. What are you looking ahead to?
Yeah, so those former deputies will be the first, it looks like, to go on trial. Jury selection for that case starts in about 2 weeks. But the defense and the prosecution will come together early next week to go through things a little bit more before the call for jurors goes out.
All right, Mercedes Hernandez reporting live for us. Thank you very much.